Hello students, our today's program is write a program in Python to input four numbers and find out the largest number. So dear student, in this program we have to input four numbers and find out the largest number. Now I am going to make this program in Python. Open Python software, click at option file and choose option new file and type the program code here in this file. A equal to int input, enter first number. B equal to int input, enter second number. C equal to int input, enter third number. D equal to int input, enter fourth number. If A equal to B and B equal to C and C equal to A, C equal to D and D equal to A, print all four numbers are equal. If A greater than equal to B and A greater than equal to C and A greater than equal to D colon, print the largest number is A. If B greater than equal to A and B greater than equal to C and B greater than equal to D colon, print the largest number is B. If C greater than equal to A and C greater than equal to B and C greater than equal to D colon, print the largest number is C. If D greater than equal to A and D greater than equal to B and D greater than equal to C colon, print the largest number is D. Now click on option file and choose option save as and save this program code with any name. Now click at option run and choose option run module. The program is asking to enter first number. If we enter first number 12, enter second number 12, enter third number 12, enter fourth number 12, then program will print all four numbers are equal. Again click at option run and choose option run module. The program is again asking to enter first number. If we enter first number 12, enter second number 34, enter third number 45, enter fourth number 12, 12, 11, 12. The program will print the largest number is 45 because 45 is the largest number out of the four numbers we are entered here. Again click at option run and choose option run module. If we enter first number 12, second number 13, third number 12 and fourth number 1, the program will print the largest number is 13. I hope you understand the program how to find largest number out of the four number entered by the user. Thank you. Have a nice day.